Hey guys, welcome back to FarmStead. I'm Hunter, and today, because it is going into October and we are getting close to Halloween, we are making Butterfingers. So let's get started. So first, we are going to take half a cup of candy corn, and we are going to put it into a microwavable bowl, or as I'm using a measuring cup. And we are going to put this in the microwave for 30 seconds, take it out, mix it, and put it back in for another 30 seconds. Okay guys, so we are mixing up the candy corn right now. As you can see, it's starting to melt down, but we still have to pop it in for that last 30 seconds, and it should be melted down. Okay guys, so we just pulled it out of the microwave, and if it isn't all the way melted down like this, then you can pop it in for another 30 seconds or however long it takes to melt down. But now we are going to add in a half cup of peanut butter. Make sure that there are no air bubbles under your peanut butter, or air pockets under your peanut butter when you're putting it in, so that you get the right amount. Okay guys, so we are putting in the peanut butter. Make sure to get it all out of there. Okay, so now we are going to mix the peanut butter and the melted candy corn together. The candy corn and the peanut butter are starting to combine, and so we just have to keep mixing it until it's fully combined. Okay guys, so we had to put this back in the microwave because there were some clumps that hardened up from the candy corn, but now you should have a texture like this. And so now we are going to take and we are going to put it onto the parchment paper, and we are making little Butterfinger drops. Okay, so since it is 1 part peanut butter and 1 part candy corn, you can double the amount and use a cup of candy corn and a cup of peanut butter. So you can use whatever size you want. Now we are going to take these and we are going to put them in the fridge. Okay guys, so we got our Butterfinger drop put in the fridge to cool, and we are going to melt our chocolate chips in the microwave 30 seconds at a time. And it doesn't matter what kind of chocolate you use. You can use white chocolate, you can use dark chocolate, but we are using milk chocolate for these. Okay guys, so we actually had to put the Butterfinger drops into the freezer because we had to they had to be stiff enough so that we could dip them in the chocolate. They were just a little too crumbly. But now is a good time to ask you all to comment Butterfinger on this video. So go down to the comments, type in Butterfinger, and if you see a subscribe button, you could hit that too, please. Okay, so let's let the Butterfingers freeze, and we put the chocolate on a double boiler just to keep it from hardening, and we'll be back when the Butterfinger and chocolate are ready. Our chocolate's melted. We added a little bit of oil to it to make it smoother. So we are going to take our Butterfinger drops, and we are just going to use the fork, and we are going to get the chocolate all over it. Okay, and remember to tap it on the bowl to get all the excess chocolate off and to smooth it over the top. Okay, there we go. Now you just lay that back onto your parchment paper, and we'll do the next one. Okay guys, so we just finished dipping our Butterfinger drops and we're going to put them in the freezer for another 10 to 15 minutes and then we will do a taste test. Okay guys, so we just pulled our Butterfinger drops out of the freezer and everybody's going to test them. Dad?
Cool. You want to grab one? Grab one. There you go. You touched it.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, William?
Alright. Ready?
Everybody can test. It does give it that flaky feel.
Yeah.
Butterfinger.
You know, and Hunter and I had this conversation, and I didn't think.
In Walmart.
I did not think that the candy corns would get a crunch like that, but it's pretty impressive. It has the same crunch as a Butterfinger. They're pretty good.
Yeah.
I'd give it I'd say a 9 out of 10 on the Butterfinger scale.
Cool. What do you give it?
Good?
Yeah.
He says good.
10 out of 10.
I'm gonna say a 9 out of 10 like Dad. I think it is almost there. It's maybe off by a little bit, but it tastes almost exactly like a Butterfinger. These would be perfect for a Halloween party or frankly any party if you want to bring treats. I hope you guys had a really good day. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family, and have a good rest of your day. Bye.
Bye.